Our journey begins in the gardens of the Natural History Museum in Jerusalem, Israel. The gardens are pretty large here, although the museum is located almost in the center of the city. We are driving now through a Greek colony, Moshava Yavanit in Hebrew. The streets here are narrow, a lot of roundabouts. Sometimes you need to pull over to the side to give way to the upcoming traffic, especially trucks. It's a sunny day in March. Cold in the shadows, pretty chilling when the wind blows. But if you are out there in the sun, it's almost hot. The street in Saint Simon district is going down to Pot intersection. There is always quite a bit of traffic here, but Pot intersection is now undergoing future construction. A new light rail line is being built here, so the traffic situation gonna change. As long as I remember, there has always been traffic, even when there was no construction going on. Further away in the horizon, you can see large buildings of Holy Land District. We're gonna see them again after we make a turn. This is Pot intersection, and you can see the construction site. And now to the left there is Holy Land District. Huge buildings standing on the top of a hill. It's quite uncommon for Jerusalem to build something high on the hills. We're heading towards Kiryat Yovel district, which is considered to be one of the poorest and one of the most dull parts of the city. There are a lot of old buildings here, built originally as temporary dwellings for new immigrants. There are plans to rebuild this whole district and put some new buildings here. We are leaving the city now, going down in the direction of Kerem. Now we are entering Kerem. It's a small village with a lot of churches, monasteries, cafes. We've just passed Kerem, and we are now completely out of the city. Moving in the direction of Sataf now. Sataf is a forest on the top of a hill, a very popular place for among joggers, hikers, and just those who love family picnics. We are approaching Sataf now. From this roundabout we could go to Sataf, but instead we continue in the direction of Kibbutz Tzuba. To your right you can see some Tzuba housing. We continue. Kiryat to our right. Pretty big village, but still a village. Mental health hospital to our right. We are in the very heart of Jerusalem Hills now. Very beautiful region, covered with forests. A lot of wineries here and vines respectively. To the left, Ramat Raziel village, and we are approaching our destination, which is Kisalon village. From this roundabout, about 2 kilometers to the entrance to the village. And here our journey comes to its end. Have a great day, everyone.